Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Look at the stew. We got a stew here going.
Yes. That's what the clock.
This is the IRC club. Where are we? Between Fort Pierce and Sebastian. The guys you see here, the guys that got birds. The guys you didn't see from last night, that means they're still waiting for birds. A lot of birds may be in Miami, but only the good guys show up. We didn't get results. Eric is inside doing the clocks. Somebody else is in there. We got a couple of guys. Waldo, yeah, he showed up. He got his. Some guys didn't get him. I guess they'll get him tomorrow. It was a hard 100-mile race. Okay, we're going to stop for now because they're still figuring out who's got everything. And they'll have the times at the end. Who's got first, second, third, all that stuff. Check out my bananas. We're in Florida, don't forget. It's warm here. Put your shovels away. Okay, we're going to be back in a little bit. Here we go, here we go. We are back. Okay, everybody had to go home. Eric was having a little trouble trying to get the order of what was going on. A lot of guys didn't get their birds home, so they weren't here. And the few that were here that got their birds, we were on top of each other. I sent 2, I got 2. Walter ended up getting, I think, 1 or 2. Oswaldo, I think, had 2 or 3 at the beginning. I think that's it. It's between the 3 of us. Something like that. But there was a couple of birds. I think there was one guy got 1 bird in Fort Pierce. I don't know how many he sent, 10. So Eric's took the stuff home, and he's going to get with the AU and figure out what he's doing wrong on how to figure the race. But we're almost there. We should have results tomorrow, the next day. When it comes out, I'll tell everybody what's going on. In the meantime, that was it. We had our stew. We drank our beer. We had our sodas. Everybody was bragging and talking about how good their birds are and how they would have won if the bird would have come down after the 2 hours it flew around the loft and all the horse shit that they come up with. But all in all, it was a good day. We had a good time. You guys need to come down, join the club. We need clock people. It's hard to find young people who know how to work the clocks. Everybody in this club, well, not everybody. They're either Spanish and don't know, or they're too old and we can't turn on the television because we don't know how to work the thing, because everything's done with computers nowadays. So we need young blood. So, come on down. Help us. We need help. We need flyers. That's it for today. I had a good time. The members had a good time. And remember, I want you. Come to Vero Beach. Fly pigeons. IRC Club. We'll have a good time. Okay, guys. We're out of here.